Hi, my name is Sohial Farzam. I'm an acupuncturist here in Melbourne, in Burwood East. Now, of course, we have so many books available, so many videos and online seminars, but it's really specifically the way Michael Chung teaches the system, which is so beneficial and so helpful. So, if you're a beginner, this is the place to be. If you're advanced, there is so much more to learn. And it's also the little connections which I love to the Nei Jing, to the classical side of medicine, which Dr Michael Chung talks about, which is really beneficial. And it just invokes a sense of curiosity to take your Tung level to a whole new level. Why I specifically chose to come here with Dr Michael Chung is the way he goes through the points. He's a very humble-natured gentleman. He's very knowledgeable. And just the way he goes into the description of the points, he makes the locations appear so much easier, the way he talks about how to find the points. And ultimately it's really about the fact that it's the practical nature of the workshop. But it's another thing to come here, actively invest in yourself, to go into a workshop where you are getting it from a superstar of a Tung practitioner, direct disciple of Dr Young, to have something that gives you immediate results, and the way it's taught to be going into practice the next day. So today's Sunday, it's the last day of the 4 days. We go into the Monday and we can immediately apply it. So in terms of value, it's unbeatable. It's a game changer. It's like a no-brainer. You got to come here and you got to do it. It's the only way to find out how amazing the system is.